you, sweet.
She's
Let's see.
oh boy,
Wow. We like Basin Harbor. Holy smokes,
Nice.
thank you. Oh,
Wait.
thank you, sweetheart.
boy.
Whoops.
Funny.
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome, Melissa.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much.
Show Pop.
Basin Harbor. We're going.
Oh, thank you very much.
We love it over there.
I
It's
love
our
that
best
Basin
place.
Harbor place.
They were so nice when I called to get the certificate.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, they're not even open.
Hold on,
aren't
Mimi's
you?
not done yet.
Are they?
Their offices are open for
Somebody
all.
answered,
Oh.
got some more for you.
and she delivered it to me
Well, I think
FedEx
you
for
got me
free.
enough. Wait a minute.
Ma.
Aw.
Do we
Huh?
get
FedEx. She sent it to me for free.
Oh.
Mommy, do we get
Did
any
Mimi
more?
see the one with your hat on?
Yes.
Oh, he's got it. Oh my Lord, it's adorable.
Mommy, do we have more for me?
Thank you. So, where's the
No, we
picture of
didn't
Maggie?
give them to her.
Where's Maggie's picture?
She wasn't there.
Tell her she wouldn't come.
Oh.
Well, I'll take a picture of her.
Maggie needs to do a picture for Mimi.
I
Doesn't
got
she?
you these.
You did. They're beautiful.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're
Careful,
welcome.
though. You're welcome.
Let me get those ready.
So, Dia, let me know if you have that one. If you do, I'll get you the other
I'll
one.
I
check
can't
the
believe
message.
I got another fish to put out by the pool.
Awesome.
Oh,
Thank
thank
you.
you
I got it
did.
for you.
You did, honey.
She wants to bottom all
Oh,
everything.
that is that. Can I have a hug? Oh, thank you so much. I love you so much. How about we eat
Dad,
now?
open my eyes.
Okay.